Hello everyone. Welcome to HeyGen's Hogwarts of the Video Generation. Can you see that we are the first battalion of celebrities invited here? We're here to share some video generation tips about TalkingPhoto. Do I need to introduce myself? I'm Elsa, currently in Gryffindor. That means I am fair, loyal, and brave in our world.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine, obviously from Slytherin, which in Harry Potter stands for cunning, ambition, and determination. But in our case, it means that we have the ability to enchant audiences with captivating videos.
I'm Mulan from Slytherin, which represents determination and perseverance. In video production, it is this kind of determination we need to try new things and make impactful work.
I'm Merida, also from Gryffindor. Gryffindor values courage, daring, nerve, and chivalry. And as a brave princess, I'm here to inspire you to be bold in your video creation.
Bonjour à tous, je suis Ariel, la petite sirène de Poufsouffle. Cela représente la loyauté, la patience et le travail acharné.
Ich bin Rapunzel. Und in unserem Fall bedeutet Huflepuff, dass wir wissen, wie man Geduld und Ausdauer zeigt, um das perfekte Video zu erstellen.
皆さん、こんにちは。私は白雪姫、レーブンクロー寮から参加しています。ハリー・ポッターの世界では、それは知性、学習、知恵、そして基地を象徴しています。ここでは、魅力的なビデオコンテンツを作成するための洞察に富んだヒントとテクニックを共有するためにいます。
Welcome, magical Disney princesses, to HeyGen tutorials. Today's main lesson is about how to animate photos with HeyGen.
Isn't teaching us how to make a photo talk a bit monotonous?
Well, yes, it seems monotonous and lacks valuable content.
You're right. We should combine some specific use cases when teaching about the TalkingPhoto product feature. We can all agree on how crucial a well-known IP is for a company, a product, a game, a film, or an AI robot influencer. Just take a look at our princesses here. At one glance, you can distinguish which Disney princess and one from Hogwarts, even though they're AI-generated images combining various other styles. Face it, to build an IP, you need a memorable story, and that IP needs to be brought to life. Merely static images or text are too easily forgotten, so getting your brand's IP animating is paramount. I hope this explanation clarifies the fundamental significance of TalkingPhoto. Next, I will teach you the simple operation of TalkingPhoto in HeyGen and some points to note. In the second video, our 7 Disney princesses will explain each use case one by one. First, you must upload your prepared TalkingPhoto or directly generate the TalkingPhoto you need in HeyGen. You can upload your prepared TalkingPhoto image from 2 places. After a successful upload, select the TalkingPhoto avatar to create videos. Second, TalkingPhoto supports background removal. You can choose Remove the Background so that only your character remains with a transparent background. This way, you can put it into other scenes. Third, input the text and select the AI script to help optimize the copy. Edit the text on the editing page, click Add Body Text, and input important information keywords. You can adjust the text, font style, size, color, whether to bold, etc. Here's another point. The animation effect of the text and the position and time it appears to need to be adjusted by clicking on the text and using the box line divided upon the scene. Fourth, choose a voice you like. Finally, preview the whole video and submit it after checking for errors. Fifth, you can view the generated video on the video page. In the next video, we will share more tips on using TalkingPhoto with some application scenarios. And as always, if you have any questions, click the icon in the lower right corner of the screen to contact us.